Let's find the limit as x approaches 64 of the cube root of x minus 4 over the square root of x minus 8. Notice if I plug in 64, I get 0 over 0. I'm not going to use L'Hopital's rule for this problem. Instead, I'm going to use a substitution. So the question is, what should we substitute? Well, if we look at powers of x, we have x to the 1/3 and x to the 1/2 power. We want a least common denominator. What's the least common denominator? 1/3 and 1/2? That's going to be 1/6. So that's what t is going to equal, which means x will be t to the 6th power. So we'll say that x is t to the 6th. That means as x approaches 64, t is going to approach 2, because 2 to the 6th is 64. So this is what we have. So t has to be 2, x is 64. Alright, so then we have limit as t approaches 2. The cube root of x is just t to the 2nd power, because when you take the cube root of both sides, you do 6 divided by 3 is 2. And then the square root will be t cubed. And now we simplify this by factoring out the top and the bottom. We have t minus 2, t plus 2. And then t minus 2, t squared plus 2t plus 4. And the t minus 2's are going to cancel. So now I could just plug in t equals 2. So that would be 4 over 12, which is 1/3. And so our limit is 1/3.